This is Wesley, billion dollar version. Let's go. Listen up. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, why do you have this device? What it does is massages my head as I'm making a video here. But you know what? Let me take this off. What's going on, folks? Listen, I want you to read this. If you can read this I Like Wesley version, you can get paid up to $400 per hour every single hour for the rest of your life, okay? Now, I know you may be skeptical, you might not believe this, but if you follow the video, watch to the very end, and you know what's so funny? This site, I promise you, you have already used, you know about it, but you were just unaware. And this site will pay you just to read words. Reading for money here. So listen, folks, show me some love here. This is my YouTube channel. Go ahead and smash the like button. Only if I give you massive value. Listen, if I give you massive value, smash the like button, okay? Sub to the channel as well. If I don't, you don't have to like it or anything else. Listen, a couple of videos here went viral here, and I got people that reached out to me and said, Wesley, is it possible that I can actually read books for money? And I was like, yes. I did my research here, and I found a site. I have undeniable proof that I'm going to show you step by step reading books and getting paid. Most people don't like to read, but what if you got paid by reading books here, okay? So listen, make sure if you're Espanol, okay, I have a Spanish channel here. Sign up for it, subscribe to it if you want videos that are in Espanol translated. I did it for you, for all my Spanish speakers. So here goes step number one. Go to the site, acx.com. Now listen, you may say, Wesley, I don't know what ACX is. Well, they partner with Amazon, okay? With Amazon. Amazon has millions of Kindle books, millions of books that they sell. So ACX will pay you, anybody, doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter your location, doesn't matter if you're a tall, short woman, male, doesn't matter. They will pay you, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to sign up to get started right now through the process here, okay? Hit sign up here, and boom. Listen, as long as you have an Amazon account, it connects automatically, okay? So if you already halfway there. So I'm going to sign into my account right here. Let me log in, okay? And look at here, bada boom, bada bing, I'm in. Now, what you want to do is this. You want to go to the home page. You need to go to search, okay? You need to go to titles accepting auditions because you need to audition. Now, I know some of you might say, well, Wesley, I don't know how to read a book. I got something for you. Watch to the very end. I have something that's going to blow your mind. It's going to put money in your bank account automatically with you not saying one word. Shh, just don't tell nobody, okay? So you click here, and as you can see here, look, let me move my big head over here. So look, these are books that you can just read. It's insane, right? And what I like to do is I scroll down here to compensation because we wants to get paid. Smash the like button if you're trying to get paid, right? Like, I'm trying to get paid here. So check it out here. It's up to you. You want to get paid $50 to $100 per hour, $100 to $200 per hour, $200, $400. It's up to you. Or even you can get a royalty share, right? That means that whatever the book sells, you make a percentage of the book sale. It's up to you. So let's click on $200, $400 per hour here. And I'm going to click on this one as well because I want big money, okay? And it shows you all the books here. Look at this, all the books here that you can read right now. All you need to do is audition for the book. So let's say if we click on this guy, okay? See here? Audition, that's all you do. You audition for the book. They're going to pay you $200 per hour of reading the book. Is that crazy, right? Like per hour, they're going to pay you. Now, I know some of you may say, well, Wesley, I'm not a great reader, okay? Smash the like button if you're not a great reader. I'm going to show you a secret. Just don't share this with anybody. That you don't have to say a word, and you can use another website to do most of the work for you. Go here, okay? Say if I want to apply for this book, okay? I want to audition for it. What I want to do, but I don't necessarily want to read, right? It's not that we can't read. It's like we don't want to, right? We want somebody else to do the work for you. Can I get an amen? Can I get a like? Let's get it, right? So look here. Go to Fiverr.com. type in voiceover, okay? And the thing is, once you reach out to this person here, they're going to give you an excerpt of the book, right? So you're going to audition for it. And what you do is you go to Fiverr.com, you type in voiceover, and you find the cheapest person possible. So let's scroll down here. Find somebody for $5 here. Find somebody for $5. You know, we got $10, $25, but we want to find somebody super cheap. There you go. Look, I will record a voiceover in Spanish, but find somebody for $5 to read the excerpt for you. Does that make sense? It's only $5. When they do that, right, then you upload it. It's highly likely that you're going to get the gig. And then once you get it, you basically take the entire script and the book, you give it back to the same guy for like $5 or $10. You negotiate, but look, right here they're gonna pay $400 per hour. So that's 4 hours, 400 times 4, that's $1,600. What you do is you pay this guy $200. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if you're loving me. You get it, right? That's how the game works, right? You pay this guy $200, and now you're sitting back in your bedroom with your feet kicked up, relaxing, and you're making $1,400 in profit. And listen up. You can do this over and over and over again. Over and over. How many of you right now believe that you can do this? Look, it has so many books here. You can do this over and over and over again. You don't have to read the book. Now listen, what if I got something cool for you? What if it was a software that would do everything I just showed you with a click of a button? Basically, the software reads for money where you don't have to do nothing. You set it up one time. It uses software automation. Everything I just showed you, you set it up one time. And what it does, it goes through these sites and it does everything that you'll do that would take you about 15 minutes. It'll do it 100 times to 100 different books with a click of a button in seconds. In the description below, there's a link. And it says, do it for me. Okay? If you want me to do it for you using this software, usually I charge $1,000 because, you know, I mentor people, but, you know, you got to pay. You got to pay to play. It is what it is. $1,000 per month to be able to do this stuff for you. But what I want to do for you, look at me. First 10 people that click that link below and get their software to potentially make $1,000 plus a day. That's what the software does. Because instead of doing this manually, it can be a automated process, so it happens faster. For the first 10 people, I'm going to give it to you for $17. So imagine this. Imagine investing $17 in a software that basically pays you to read for money. You don't have to read. You don't have to do much of anything. All you need to do one time, it takes 5 minutes to set it up. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it because I'm going to do it for you. And within 24 to 48 hours, you're generating $1,000, $2,000 every single day. Imagine that. What would you do with that money? That's over $60,000 per month using a software for $17. And all you have to do is click the link below, invest now, and change your entire life. Okay? Does that make sense? How many of you right now say, you know what, that makes perfect sense. I want that right now. Listen, if you're person 11, if you're person 12, it's $1,000. I'm going to be very honest with you. Listen, I had a person in the last video that I did, and they wanted it for $17, and they were number 12. And I said, I'm sorry, you got to pay $1,000. And it was begging me. Listen, I truly believe in life we have like 1 or 2 opportunities to change our lives financially. I'm not sure this is what it is. I'm not sure that you're ready to do it now. I'm not sure if you're ready and have the confidence and say, you know what, I'm going to go for it. But if it is, and if you believe that this is it, invest. Don't think too much. Take massive action. I want to help you. First 10 people, it's only $17. $17 can generate over $30,000 a month. I've seen many people do it. You may make a little bit more or a little bit less. It's up to you and your commitment right now. So under this video, in the description, click it, do it for me. You'll see those big words that say do it for me. The software does it for your first 10 people. If you're number 11, you're too late. It's up to you. This is Wesley, $1 billion version. Let's go. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the shares. I'll see you soon. Leg it.